strand of news item that is ongoing, whether we needed to wait until the determination of the courts before we proceed with inauguration. Let me say, without any fear of any form of contradiction, there will be an inauguration on the 29th of June. This is not the first time we have run elections. In my active political life, I have seen different transitions, starting from the Shagari transition. It was litigated. The courts went ahead with the inauguration. The next one, after Shagari, was Obasanjo. It was litigated in 1999. We continued with 2003. That was when President Muhammadu Buhari jumped into the ring. If you remember, for those of you that were active as politicians and could follow, he spent months in the tribunal that went ahead to the Supreme Court, and he repeated that 3 times. I stand to be corrected. I think the only election that we have not litigated is 2015 Jonathan. Jonathan was the only one that conceded defeat, called President Buhari, congratulated him, and we had a seamless transition. So, with or without litigation, as long as the Lord tarries, there will be an inauguration on the 29th. Act in itself, as a matter of fact, envisaged that a litigant can be between the tribunal and the appellate court 240 days, 180 for the determination of the petition and 60 for the determination of the appeal. So our laws are very sacrosanct. They have placed these things in the public domain, that we will proceed with the inauguration of President-elect Asuwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu on the 29th.